Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're diving into Interactive Brokers' crypto investment platform, a powerful tool that blends traditional investing with the world of cryptocurrency. Interactive Brokers, renowned for its comprehensive financial tools and global reach, has recently stepped into the crypto arena, and in this video, we'll explore its features and what it offers investors. For those already utilizing Interactive Brokers for stocks, options, or forex trading, the crypto integration offers a significant advantage. It's seamlessly woven into your existing account, simplifying portfolio management across all your asset classes. The platform currently supports trading in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash, presenting these cryptocurrencies in a format familiar to traditional investors. A major attraction for many is the platform's low trading fees. Significantly lower than many competing crypto platforms, these fees can translate to substantial savings for active traders or those anticipating numerous transactions. Furthermore, Interactive Brokers provides institutional-grade security for your crypto holdings, leveraging its extensive experience in asset protection. The platform itself is tailored to investors already comfortable navigating the trading landscape. Interactive Brokers isn't designed for complete beginners, it assumes a certain level of understanding of financial markets. However, for seasoned traders, the platform's advanced features, including real-time market data and in-depth charting tools, make it a compelling option for closely monitoring and optimizing investments. While Interactive Brokers boasts many strengths, there are a couple of potential drawbacks to consider. The platform's supported cryptocurrency selection is currently limited to major players like Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you're an altcoin enthusiast, you'll likely need to explore other platforms. Additionally, the absence of a dedicated mobile app for crypto trading might be a disadvantage for those who prefer trading on the move. In summary, Interactive Brokers offers a robust, secure, and cost-effective entry point into the crypto market for experienced investors seeking to diversify their portfolios. It's particularly well-suited for those already using the platform for traditional assets and who value the convenience of managing all their investments in a single location. Check the description below for links to get started with Interactive Brokers' crypto platform today.